Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you is very well, whatever we are. In session 3, I think it's a little more difficult than the previous one. In session 3, I think so hard to explain at English. But even though I want to share you my opinion about family and relative and nuclear family and extended family. Nuclear family and extended family, I think same family and relatives. Nuclear family and family has a closer relationship more than extended family. For example, father, mother, and children. As people generally know, the nuclear family the closer to us, but family and nuclear family more a closer, and for extended family, for the example like uncle, auntie, and cousin. That's all is family. But nuclear family is a closer relationship more that extended family or relative. I think that's all my opinion about family and extended family and nuclear family. I hope all of you understand what I mean. Thank you for attention and goodbye.